Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, over the last 4 trading days, the Australian dollar has moved further away from the 6.5-month low that was early posted around 68.34. From the rebound, the market is now looking towards the resistance seen around 69.45 to 55, which does expect to draw a bearish defense. From that, I do feel the market will turn around and look back towards the minor support seen at 68.75 with the overall target seen at 68 figure 40, which was, as I mentioned, challenged earlier. From there, reassess. No doubt the profit taking may again emerge, like we saw before. Nevertheless, I feel the market is getting very close now to the top and soon to reverse. The euro surges a little bit higher overnight as the dollar weakens further. The dollar hit a low of 96.07, and from the back of that, saw the euro rally now towards 113.1530. It is assessed from here that the market should struggle, if it does get beyond there, to 113.8090, which I see as a cap. And then I do believe the market will turn around and look back towards the lower side of the range of 111. Well, after 14 days of sideways trading, dollar yen finally broke down, and buckling with the US dollar now looks towards a target of 106.6075. It is assessed from there that the market could stage a rebound, but do be on your guard because beneath 106.60 looks to 105.90. Resistance at this day seen at 107.65. Well, with the Bank of England keeping rates steady at 0.75, the market is now looking to challenge that level of 127.60, with the momentum coming back since the rebound off the lows of 125, reassessed from 127.60 because we could see stop losses triggered up towards 128.40.60. But like before, we've had many challenges at this level, at least 3, and rejected. So we could see this again. So play it very close and keep your stop losses accordingly to your risk management. Well, yesterday, as you can see, the market is surging and still is for gold. And it breaks above 1,400 and now looks towards the level holding at 1,425. There is no holding back at the moment for this pattern as the geopolitical risks have heightened after Iran shot down a drone plane overnight. President Trump did come out and say that it was a new fly in the ointment, and Iran had made a very big mistake in shooting down a US military surveillance drone. He did so and say it had been documented as it was flying in international waters and not in Iranian airspace. I think probably Iran made a mistake, he said, and I would imagine it was a general or somebody that made a mistake in shooting that drone down. From a technical point, there is still momentum coming into this market, even though we are overbought. But I'll be surprised if we can uphold towards 25. Wrapping up with oil, because of the drone being shot down by Iran, oil triggered a rally of nearly over 6%, and now it looks to its objective of 58. I do believe the market could stretch up towards 62 if this pattern continues. Support this day seen at 56.670. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy this great start to the day and the new weekend.